Welcome again, dear friends and students. Now in this problem we will see that how can a scale of 1:60 of a representative fraction can be drawn, which have uh, meters and decimeter units, and having a maximum length of 6 meters. So here you can see that the steps of construction has already been given. So here the representative fraction, that is 1:60, and the units which are required to be shown, that is decimeters and meters, and the last one, that is the maximum length, is also given here, that is 6 meters. So you know that the length of the scale can be obtained by the formula, which is length of scale is equal to, that is the representative fraction, which is multiplied with the maximum length. You can see here the maximum length which can be measured by the scale, so maximum length. Adding the values, the representative fraction is 1 divided by 60 multiplied by maximum length, that is 6 meters. So converting the 6 meters into centimeters, that our process of calculation will be easy. So 1 divided by 60 and 2 6. For the meters, we will write here the 100 centimeters, multiplying and dividing. Here 1 0 will be cut with this one and the 6 with this. So here you can see that 10 centimeter is the length which can be used for the construction of the plane scale. So coming towards the construction of the scale, which can be easily drawn on the paper. The required length was 10 centimeter, which was required for the, from the calculation. So I will construct here the 10 centimeter line. Here you can see from 0 to 10 centimeter. Now 6 decimeter, sorry 6 meters and decimeters should be shown here. So 0.6, I want to convert it into the 6 equal parts. So 10 centimeter divided by 0.6, so it will give me 1.66 centimeter. Approximately I will take it as 1.6 centimeter. To divide it in equal parts, let's start the division of the line, and that is 1.6. so here from this point I am taking the first point here, the second one is 1.6, that is 16 millimeter. Approximately it is 16 millimeter. The second one, I will draw here the line or cut it here it again. So 16 millimeter, again here 16 millimeter, and here you can see again in 16 millimeter, 16 millimeter, 16 millimeter, and a little bit here, that is here. So the division, you can see that it is not equally divided due to a little bit fraction, that is 1.6666. so I ignored that point that was away from the first fraction digit. So therefore you can see a little bit changes has been occurred. So covering, assuming it as equal parts, I will extend the line upward for approximately 3 centimeter. This one 3 centimeter, this one 3 centimeter, the other one 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeters, and 3 centimeters. So joining the points with a line, through a line, you can see so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 parts has been achieved. So here I will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the other one will be 6. So here I will write 10. On the right side from 0 to 5 it denotes the unit of meters. So I will write here meters, and the other one, that is decimeters. So I will write here decimeters. And the representative friction for this scale was 1:60. So now you can see that 2 units have been shown here on the scale. That is, one is the meters and the second one is the decimeters, along with the representative friction, that is 1:60. Hope so you have learned what I want to explain here.